What an incredible journey the last 5 years have been. And now we find ourselves back to where it all began. As I reflect on the first memory I have of you, I can't help but think how damn crazy I was for not doing something about this sooner.
You make me truly happier than I could have ever imagined. I look back on our life together, which has been filled with love, laughter and adventure, and wonder how I honestly got so lucky to be standing here today.
It is a story that from like the very first chapter is so perfectly and uniquely you. Crossing paths at cattle shows, competing against each other for the very trophies that now stand displayed as fond reminders of how it all started and of course of who won.
Every moment has led us to this day. Every journey that brought us.
Anyway, at sunrise, up at the Horn near Bright, Chloe had seen enough. She was ready to head back down, but Mitch seemed like really interested in reading all about the history until the Dutch backpackers finally left and you had the place to yourselves where Mitch, on bended knee, popped the question.
Filled with wonder that words couldn't ever contain. This is what we've been waiting for.
Oh, wait,
The dawn of forevermore. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been waiting for.
Now, marriage means a lot of things to a lot of people, but for you, Mitch and Chloe, it signifies your lifelong commitment to one another in the presence of God.
When the morning light brings us to our feet, we'll keep chasing what we were meant to be.
Though we've come a long way from where we started, but I wouldn't trade a moment of it because we're able to walk hand in hand and tackle life head on.
This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forever.
I promise to always remember this, to never take you for granted and to step back and appreciate how lucky I am to have you in my life and as my husband.
Leaving all of our doubts behind. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been waiting.
Happiness in marriage is not something that just happens. A good marriage must be created. In the art of marriage, the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands.
Give our dreams to the rising sun.
It's never going to sleep angry. It's at no time taking the other for granted. It's having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It's standing together, facing the world.
I can't wait to grow old with you, to raise a family with you, and to build a life together far better than either of us could have ever imagined alone.
Give our dreams to the rising sun. Make our way. We've just begun. We're closer to.
Because it is with much pleasure that I now, in the sight of God, pronounce you husband and wife. Mitch and Chloe, you may kiss.
At the dawn of forevermore. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we knew we would find. Leaving all of our doubts behind. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been waiting for.
Together, we'll create a life overflowing with love, laughter, and cherished memories. With you, I am home. With you, I found my greatest adventure and my truest companion.